'cause I don't give a
Hey guys, welcome back to AutomagzMN. Today, we're taking a look at a highly anticipated car, the 2025 Honda Odyssey. This phenomenal minivan is back with a slew of updates that have everyone excited.
Till I'm fucking buried in my grave, 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay, 'cause my messages are timeless, so they put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with
The exterior design of the 2025 Odyssey has undergone a significant refresh. It sports a sportier and more modern look with a larger front grille and sharper LED headlights. The body also appears sleeker and more aerodynamic.
work you, turn you to an enemy, hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up.
Stepping inside the 2025 Odyssey, you're greeted with unparalleled comfort and spaciousness. The cabin feels airy and roomy, with ample legroom for all passengers. High-quality materials are used throughout, lending a luxurious and premium feel.
fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to.
The 2025 Odyssey comes loaded with advanced features that enhance both comfort and safety. Some notable features include a panoramic sunroof, a large infotainment screen, a premium audio system, and the Honda Sensing Suite.
I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement.
So guys, what do you think of the 2025 Honda Odyssey? Don't forget to subscribe to the AutomagzMN channel for more exciting car review videos.
Change it, experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, 'cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, 'cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate for taking control of your life. Go out and battle, and you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta
I
struggle
don't
through
give
the
a fuck
sewer.
what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. 'Cause I don't give a fuck what you say.